Hello YouTube, Chris the Frugal Audiophile here. Got another unboxing for you today. This is the BOYA BYM1. This is an inexpensive lavalier microphone to use with your smartphone or your camera. It's got a 3.5mm TRRS connection on it. So this guy was 20 bucks on Amazon, and I heard about it. Oh, there's a moisture pack. Make sure to throw that away before your animals get it. This guy, I heard about it on a video on a channel that I will link in the description below. I can't remember the name right now. Anything else in there? No. So, but they do videos on how to make professional looking YouTube videos, and this was one of their recommendations for an inexpensive lavalier microphone. Now I have tried, as you've probably seen in the past, some more expensive lavalier microphones, and they weren't that great. So I'm hoping at 20 bucks that this one will be okay. So there's your clip right there. There's your lav. But okay, this must go like in your pocket, and then this would go hooked up to your shirt or clipped onto your pants or your pocket, whatever. Here, this is your 3.5mm TRRS. So you're gonna need an adapter for an iPhone or Android with USB-C, but this should just snap right in there. I don't know how good it's gonna be. We'll find out. See what else is in here. Hopefully, yeah, it looks like, yeah. Here's your clip and an adapter. Oh, nice. There's an adapter if you got to go to 1/4 inch, which is always handy. So, is there any kind of zip or no? I think I feel something in this bag here. Ah. All right. Had to move it up for some leverage. Okay, yeah. So you got a pop filter, which is always good. A dead cat, as they call it. Sorry, kitty. No offense. Here's your, so this is just like a 1/4 inch. So this would plug into a standard soundboard or PA system, and it's kind of a chintzy feeling one, but you know, they include, what do you expect for 20 bucks? We'll see in my next video if this was worth it. Okay, this looks like a battery, so it must have some sort of battery in it that it requires. That's kind of dumb. I thought it was just powered by the socket, but that probably would not make it a very good microphone. And then there is the clip for your lapel. So more information about this coming. I may do a review if I think it's worth it. You may hear me using it in my very next video. I'm gonna go film it right now, so if this works out okay, we'll see. That may be what happens. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe to my channel and check me out on Patreon. And remember, frugal doesn't necessarily mean cheap.